Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me today on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I'm a guest reviewer for Wig Studio One. They sent me this style that I'm wearing so that I could show it to all of us. I'm wearing WigPro's Melody and this one's in the color 2360R8. I'm going to leave purchase information for Melody down in my description, along with a link to the Wig Studio One private support Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Okay, let's look at this adorable, I'm calling it a little shag style because it's a little shag style in the back. So first let me just turn around. I just took this out of the box and just put it right on my head. I haven't done a single thing to it. So let me just turn around and show you the sides and the back of Melody. It's just got all those choppy layers back there. I just wanted to move them around so you could get a good idea of the back. Pretty little layers here on the side. It has some body. This style has some body in it. It's just, I think it's just beautifully done. Okay, this has a lace front that goes temple to temple. And it is a beautiful lace front. And I love how this color looks, this 2360R8. I love how this color looks up here on the lace. We'll talk about the color in just a second. Melody has a full monofilament top. And it's a beautiful parting space. So, you know, you could part this anywhere that you wanted. And you're going to have that beautiful look of realism. My coverage is really good. I have a 22-inch circumference and all of my measurements are average. This cap is fitting me perfectly. I think this would fit from an average up to large. It's just got a little bit of stretch in it, so I think petite, you could cinch it all the way in, and average large to large, you know, you could let the adjusters all of the way out. So these are heat-friendly fibers from WigPro. I cannot tell you how amazing these feel. These just feel silky, silky soft, just, I don't know, I hope maybe you can just see. They react well, they move well. They're just really soft. So you could style this piece if you wanted to, you know, with your hot tools, your hot airbrush, your curling iron, your flat iron. WigPro says up to 360 degrees. So that's always a nice option for us. My coverage is good. It's got great coverage on the sides. The cap is very comfortable. I wanted to make sure and mention that. This cap, it's, you know, it's just molding to my head. It just feels like, you know, it belongs there. So it's a very comfortable cap. Okay, for Melody, her overall length is 12 inches. Her sides are 5.5. Her nape is 4 inches and it weighs 2.7 ounces. Just feather light. That's part of why it just feels so nice on my head, because it's just light. Okay, so I'm going to move this hair around. Just because I like to show you, maybe, you know, if you're going to order this piece, you'll have a better idea of how this hair moves around. Love these layers. Beautiful bang. This style comes in 15 different colors. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap. I'm going to leave a little video at the end of what this color looks like outside. She has a full monofilament top. It's beautiful. This gorgeous lace front that goes temple to temple. A soft ear tab with a good metal stay, extended soft nape, Velcro adjusters, and then the rest is open wefted. A gorgeous cap. Okay, let me put it back on. So this color, 2360 R8. I'm just going to tell you the best that I can from my eye. You know, it has a gray hue to it. To me, now of course it has a root of 8. And that's like a chestnut brown root. And you know, it kind of goes throughout there. But to me, this is just a mix of beautiful light platinums with gray hues. And just like our natural hairwood gray, it has lighter grays and darker grays. So I'm hoping when I go outside, you will be able to see the color even better. I'd say that's like a medium chestnut brown gray. Okay, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I'm going to leave the little video right now of what this color looks like outside. Everyone, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Here's this color just in the natural room light. Hope this helps. Here comes the outside color. Here's a look at this color, 2360 R8, just sitting outside. I think you can see better out here. Some darker colors, you know, the base. The whole base is like that chestnut brown, like this root. It's just such a powdery, pretty color. Let me see what this color looks like on the lace front. It's gorgeous. This is a gorgeous style and a fantastic color. It has a little gray hue, a little blonde gray hue. Okay, you guys, I hope that helped.